soil.
Alright, so what we've done so far.
Comfy. So far, we are done with getting the tank ready and the heating in.
Yeah, we got the thermostat and heating pad controls right there. Heating pads on the outside. Putting the mulch in.
Gonna mix some it around a bit.
Yeah, go right ahead, buddy.
Can I get my hands dirty on
Of
that?
course. Do you think that you want to put the other one in there?
Yeah, let's put the other one in there.
Or save it. It looks, because you got.
Well, honestly, it looks best if there's a bit like a hill in the back or something.
Well, you have that tree, and we'll have this.
Well, what do you want to do? It's up to
Look
you.
at it.
Okay.
Because right now it's a very thin layer.
You want it thin. You don't want it. You don't want them burying themselves.
What do you want to do?
I would save that. We're gonna have this in there. We're gonna have the
let's
log.
save it.
All right. All right.
And we
Okay.
might come
Isopods and.
We've got
Springtail.
the tree. Where's the tree? Here it is. Here's the tree. Where's the sticks and stuff?
Sticks.
Yeah. Oh, they're in the trunk of the car.
Okay. I'll go get it.
Okay.
Here, what? You film.
Okay.
How about that over there?
Yeah, let me take a look. Yeah, that seems pretty good.
Yeah?
I mean, I feel like we probably should cover the pot in dirt.
What do you mean?
Like maybe take the pot out.
I don't know about that for right now because
I mean, I feel like we should probably put a layer of dirt on top and then just cover this bit in dirt.
okay. I mean, there's not much that we can do there. Okay, where do you want her water? It cannot be over here where the heating.
Well, then I feel like over here.
Okay.
Right over
And
here.
or do you want this tree like in the middle there or
No.
no? Okay. You think it's good there?
Yeah, it's.
All right. Where's her
pretty good
water bowl?
here.
Oh, it's on top right here.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Right,
where do we
maybe we
want
should-
this? Here?
Yeah, right there.
There? Okay.
Okay, we got the wood.
Okay.
So
Put the wood in there first.
So this is a piece of wood.
you're gonna have
Okay.
to, yeah, maneuver it in there.
I have it on the warm side.
On the warm side.
No, have this on the warm side.
Yeah, we're gonna have the wood a bit more on the warm side.
No, found.
What about there?
No. move
What?
it this way. We're gonna put this on the warm side.
Yeah, we're gonna put the wood stuff on the warm side.
Like that?
Yeah, that seems good.
This over there.
Okay, I understand that.
We're gonna put them both
Relax.
over there. Can you hold this now?
Here, you wanna
Let me
put
put it
it over
in.
there so she can. Oh, I see it. That's a big spot there. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Now her
We're gonna
water.
Put the water right there and make a circle, I guess. I would put water in it first and then put it in there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm just trying to make a spot for it first.
Okay.
Okay. So there we go.
Okay.
Put some water in there.
I like the way you pour.
And we'll leave this gallon in here for you.
That's good. They don't need a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah?
their bodies are made to retain moisture.
Okay. So do we need to dump some out?
No,
No.
it'll be fine.
That'll be fine. Besides, if there's any mold, that'll just be food.
The springtails.
Yeah, springtails do need some food, so.
Okay. Okay.
Now the isopods and stringtails, put them in the corner, and then put the snake in.
Yep.
Okay.
Ooh.
Luna.
Luna.
Do you need to cut it open or just pop it open? Just take that and just dump it with the contents in there.
Gross. Can't open it. So these are going to be the springtails we're adding. They're very small.
Are they?
Like very, very small.
They're not gonna like
Just
get
dump
out in the house, are they?
it. No.
No, they're too small.
Okay.
If they did that, that would just be helpful.
Knock that stuff in there too.
There's no
Like the
spring
extras.
tails.
Yeah, knock all that in there.
Yeah, just I mean. And if you need to open the other side, you can close that side and open the other side.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Just a dash. Why? Knock all that stuff in there. Like that's extra. Like there might be a springtail in there,
These aren't the spring tails, but
or whatever.
the isopods.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now, old Bulma.
Yep. Here's Bulma.
So is that the name that we've decided on?
I think we should name her Bulma.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, why not?
Okay. You ready?
All right.
Open.
You need help? Here.
Oh.
Run your hand along the edge. There you go.
Got it?
Give me the lid. Grab her and put her in. Grab her.
Careful.
There you go.
This is the snake I got.
Yeah, she's probably pretty stressed right now.
Yeah, put her in there, bud.
There you go, Bulma.
Get in there.
How you just put it down?
Yeah, tilt your hand. Whenever.
There you go.
Luna, are you curious? The cat's right here. Like, where'd you guys get? All right, now put the lock on. Just slide it on there.
And let her check out her.
You gotta peel it just a little bit away from the. There you go. It's locked. No, 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 no. Just leave the key. No, just leave the key. Don't turn it.
Then stop. Just is this locked?
No, try pulling it open. Yeah, it's not locked. Have it sideways.
There we go. Now it's
Okay,
locked.
now it's locked. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Look at her looking around.
That looks like a good enclosure right there.
Yeah.
We need
it's
to.
pretty good
We
for
should.
this time.
We should have got like a backdrop.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
One day.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Maybe for her forever home.
I give it an A++. What do you think, Luna?
It just smells the snake.
We should have waited to put this stuff in there and sprinkled that other stuff in.
That's all right. It'll move around.
Yeah.
She's checking it out.
Yeah.
This is a perfect spot because you can sit right here in your chair and
Yeah.
look at her.
The cats can't. I mean, I can probably stand up here and look.
She's checking it out. Hi, Copper Kitty. Well, what do you think? Do you think she likes it?
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
making her rounds.
Mm-hmm. She's checking it out.
When you're grounded, it will make you watch the snake.
That's not much of a grounding.
that.
huh?
All right. Thank you all for being here with us while we set up the snake enclosure.
Should we do a video on her first feeding?
Yeah, we will.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah. Okay.
Pretty cool.
Honestly, the colorations are really cool.
Mm-hmm.
It honestly looks like a mix of two pythons.
Yeah, it is. A mom and a dad.
I mean, like of two different species.